understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. It happens to me every year.
It's that time of the year again. Hey guys, what is up? It is Kyle and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope you guys have an amazing week. Thanksgiving break, anyone? So for today's video, I'm doing a Black Friday men's try-on haul. I've never actually gone Black Friday shopping ever in my life. Since I had my own money, I was like, Kyle, you gotta do some damage, gotta make your bank account pissed off, but it's okay because I got some good stuff this year. My mom helped me out in getting some clothes. She got them about a day before Thanksgiving because there were some stores that were doing a Black Friday haul. And then today, I woke up at like 9:30 and I was like, Kyle, you got money, you know, working from Chick-fil-A. I should probably go. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'm gonna share with you on what I got. But before I get on to this video, first of all, if you haven't subscribed, you definitely should be. Soon I will be posting a lot of Christmas videos, which you guys should definitely be excited about. I have some good news. I'm doing 12 days of Vlogmas starting December 13th all the way up to December 25th, which I'm super excited about, and I really would like for you guys to be a part of it. So if you're not, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that way you can be notified on every single day that I post a new video. Without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get on with this video. Alrighty then. So the first thing that I went to, okay, I need to stop doing that. So the first store that I went to, which was the day before Thanksgiving, is I did some damage at Cotton On. Cotton On is the #1 place that I always go to because they always have really good sales. Since it was winter, I mainly got winter stuff, but I also got a few things just for a year round. The very first thing that I got was this loose fitted long shirt, and this was only $10. It used to be $20, but then I got it on sale for $10, so we love a good deal. Then the next thing that I got, which is somewhat out of my style, but kind of really liked it, and I tried it on, I was like, I'm getting that. I got this striped t-shirt, super comfortable. And something that I always do when I go to Cotton On is I always get like just a plain white t-shirt, so I just got a crew neck t-shirt. And the reason why I do that is because with white t-shirts, you can kind of style everything with certain different types of clothing. Then the last thing that I got, this used to be $40 and I got it for $10. It's just this jacket, and it's really comfortable. It's just striped, black and gray, and it's very comfortable, so I got that as well. And then normally on Black Friday, you know how they do sales where like if you spend over a certain amount of money, you get like a free gift or a free something. So from spending over $40, I got a free duffel bag, which is just like to pack up clothes if for camping or something, and I got that. I'll show you it later in the video, but yeah, I'm super excited about that. And then the final last thing that I got from Cotton On, you buy a beanie for $5 and the money goes to children in need. It's just gray, super comfortable, and I'm gonna look like a potato once I put this on, but it's okay. And then the final last thing that I got, this was actually today. I went to the one and only H&M. I never shop at H&M, and I thought of like checking out the store because they always have good deals. And I found this sweatshirt because I've been really in need for a new sweatshirt. It's this Chicago USA hoodie, and then it just says common districts on the side, and then it shows all the districts on the back of it, which I thought was really cool. It's super soft, and the material is really nice. And then finally, the last thing I did, which was I also got this at Cotton On today. Got some pants, really comfortable. So yeah, I just like, you know, you gotta get some good jeans. That is pretty much it for my Black Friday men's try-on. Yeah, that is basically what I got for this year of 2018 of Black Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember that I have Christmas videos coming up very soon, so definitely stay in touch with that. Also, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.